Imagine you are planning a school event. You have a limited number of students, a set amount of money, and only a few hours to set everything up. If you do not organize these pieces, you might run out of time or money before the job is finished. This is the challenge of resource planning. Resources are the building blocks of any project. Think of land as the physical space you use. Labor is the human effort provided by people. Capital is the money and equipment you have available. Entrepreneurship is the skill of combining these three to make something happen. Because these resources are limited, we must plan how to use them wisely. Resource planning is the process of deciding how to use your limited supplies to reach a goal in the most effective way. Simply put, it is matching what you have with what you need. Let us look at a school canteen project. You have 10 students to help, $200 for supplies, and 3 ovens. First, you identify your resources. You list your students, your money, and your ovens. Second, you estimate demand. You calculate how many meals you need to serve. If you expect 100 students to buy lunch, you know exactly how many ingredients to buy. Third, you allocate resources. You assign specific students to prep work and others to cooking. Fourth, you schedule usage. You create a timeline for when the ovens must be hot and when the food must be ready. To calculate the effort needed, you multiply the number of people by the number of hours they work. This gives you the total labor hours required to finish the task. Fifth, you monitor and adjust if you notice the cooking is taking longer than expected. You move one student from prep to cooking to speed things up. You are constantly checking if your plan matches the reality of the day. You might wonder why we need such a strict plan. The biggest misconception is that adding more resources always makes a job faster. In reality, if you add too many people to a small kitchen, they will just get in each other's way. This is why scheduling is vital. It ensures you use your space and people without creating bottlenecks. Resource planning is the backbone of economics. It helps businesses, governments, and even students turn limited supplies into successful outcomes. By identifying what you have, estimating what you need, allocating your assets, scheduling your time, and monitoring your progress, you ensure that no effort is wasted. You now have a clear path to turn any goal into a reality. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.